Hello, good peoples. Thanks for circling back around. Um, I have a real quick word. This just in. Cult leader, Nature Boy, aka Eligio Bishop, aka all the other names he go by, of Carbonation. Um, he was just denied bond. He was denied bond, and they denied it on the basis that I don't know if they said that he was a flight risk, but they said that he was a danger to the community. That was one of the risks. The other risk was that witness intimidation. So they're definitely mounting the case up against him. And here's the footage.
Judge, I'm sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you. And the person named Nisi, Nissei, if you could please mute yourself. Thank you.
Okay, are you able to hear me now?
I am, Judge. Thank you.
I apologize. My voice tends to waver at times. Having heard argument from counsel, the motion for bond is going to be denied.
Denied.
To find the defendant to be a danger to the community.
Danger to the community, y'all.
A risk to intimidate the victim.
A risk to intimidate the victim.
And also the risk of committing an additional felony. So therefore, bond will be denied. That will conclude this hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor. And that concludes my business before you this morning. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
There y'all go. He got denied. Nature Boy is denied.